Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Sometimes when you add an animated GIF into your WordPress website, it appears to be a plain static image. If you're looking to add an animated GIF, then in this video you will learn how to add an animated GIF in WordPress which actually animates. So let's get started with this video. As you can see that I want to add an animated GIF here on my website. So I'll go to my WordPress admin dashboard. Now I'll hover on to posts and then I'll click on all posts. Click on the edit button of the post in which you want to add an animated GIF. Now click on add media button at the top of the text box. Select or upload the GIF which you want to be added. At the right side, select the options according to your own need. Add the alt text and title as per your own requirement. Select alignment left, right or center. I want it on the left, so I'll select left. Now link the file to any media or something. I'm selecting none. Make the changes in the size, like you want it to be full size or what size you want it to be. So I'm selecting full size in this case. Now click on insert into post button. Once done, now let's update the post and let's go to the website to see. So now as you can see that the GIF is here and it's actually animating. So that's how easy it is to add an animated GIF in WordPress.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.